Good morning, students. From Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 3 Taro's Reward. I have completed this unit telling you the story and explanation one by one points. And today I am going to explain the MCQ. Okay, so let's start with the MCQ. MCQ number 1. Taro was. Options: an old man, a young woodcutter, a greedy person, and the poor old father. So, who was the Taro? Taro was a young woodcutter. Option B is right. Now, second, Sek was A. Sek was. What was Sek? Good food, good drink, pure water, and medicines. So a Sek was a good drink. Good drink. Options B is correct. Now comes to the third. Taro wanted to earn more money for the sake of. Taro wanted to earn more money for the sake of. Sake of whom? Option A, his wife, his mother, his father, and himself. So he wanted to earn money for his whom? For his father. For his father. He wanted to give this check to his father. That is why. Now comes to the fourth. Taro decided to work harder. This shows that. Why did Taro decide to work harder? What was the reason? Option A, Taro was greedy. Taro was poor. Taro loved work. Taro cared for his father. What was the reason? Taro gave sack to his father. Okay, why? Because Taro cared for his father. Option D is correct here. Taro cared for his father. Okay, the word expensive is the opposite of the word expensive. Here there are 4 options are given: cheap, fancy, useful, and useless. So what is the opposite word for expensive? So expensive is the opposite word for expensive is cheap. What? Cheap. Option A correct. Okay, now comes to the second. Taro came to waterfall because he was thirsty, he needed sack, he knew this waterfall. Here the water flowed quietly. Taro came to the waterfall. What was the reason? Because he was working hard and he was thirsty. Option A. Second, this was a waterfall. This was a waterfall. Option A, to which Taro often came, which Taro had never seen before. C, which people loved. D, which was very famous. So this was a waterfall. Waterfall for what? Which Taro had never seen before. Option B, which Taro had never seen before. He went to the forest for worked hard for his father to give the sick, earn money and give the sick. But he never had before the waterfall in the forest. So Taro had never seen before what? The waterfall. Now comes to the third. The waterfall gave Taro. What? The waterfall gave Taro what? Option A, water, wine, shake, milk. What gave? Option C is correct. Shake. What? Option C. The waterfall gave Taro shake. Question 4. Taro tasted it again and again. Because what was the reason? Why he tasted it again and again? Because let's see the options. He liked it. B, it was so sweet. C, the water was very good. D, he could not believe the taste. So in the fourth answer, He could not believe the taste because it's a waterfall and waterfalls gives the water, but here given what? Given the sweet shake. That is why he couldn't believe it. Okay, now fifth one. The noun form of delicious is. What is the noun form of delicious? So, delicateness. What? Delicateness. Option D is correct. Now comes to the next. Here given 2. The morning before was the day when Taro had come across a waterfall. Which options? Gave fresh cold water, made Taro rich, gave shake, gave wine. What is the correct answer? The answer is gave shake. Option C. Now second, Taro brought the largest pitcher he had because. Why did he bring the largest pitch? Means the pot. Options: he was strong, he wanted as much shake as possible, he was greedy, and option D, he wanted to give that liquid to his neighbors. So the answer is option B. He wanted as much shake as possible. Okay. Now comes to the third one. When Taro saw the neighbors, he only expected it, he feared them, he was surprised, he was happy. So, when neighbors came into Taro's house, the Taro was surprised. He was surprised. Comes to the 4. The neighbors had come there too. Why they had come in Taro's house? Let's see. Options: take shake, meet Taro, confirm the truth, quarrel with Taro. So they had come there. Why? To take shake. That is why came. Comes to the 5. It's a noun form of intended. So what is the noun form of intended? Option D, intention. Okay. Now comes to the next. Now see. The villagers were angry because they felt cheated, they were thirsty, they wanted Taro, they had tasted shake. Why? Because they felt cheated. Taro already talked about the shake in the forest. So they went there to drink the shake. But it was what? It was only water. So they thought that they felt cheated. By whom? By Taro. Now second, the villagers were disappointed because options: Taro was not there, the waterfall was not beautiful, the water was not good, they had not got shake. Why? The villagers were disappointed because they had not got shake. Which options? D. They had not got shake. Question 3. Taro had hidden himself because he was enjoying the sun. He had smelt the danger from the crowd. He hated the people. He was unconscious. The third, why he hid himself. Why? What is the reason? Because he had smelt the danger from the crowd. He had smelt. Number 4. The truth was that the waterfall was. What was the truth of the waterfall? See, always giving water, always giving shake, a magical one, simply a dream. So, what is a magical one? Option C. Now, fifth, last one. The word muttering means in this chapter, the word muttering means Meaning of the muttering means here the word complaining. Muttering means complaining. Okay, so these are the MCQs of the chapter. I hope you learnt it easily. Thank you.